Hello, everyone. Good morning.
Morning.
Good
morning.
morning, Brophy.
Hello. Good
Anyone here?
morning. Wow, glad to meet you again, guys. Hello, Sis Punky, Bro Fajar. Hello, Sis Yeni, Bro Zul, Sis Cosby, Sis Ara. You guys, welcome back to our class this time. Wow, you guys, Bro Fajar, how do you do?
I'm amazing right now, bro.
Oh, that's great. You look amazing as well, right? It's really cool, Bro Fajar. Nice. Okay, what about others here? Sis Cosby. How's
Yeah,
life going
bro.
on?
Very excited today, bro.
Oh, sure. That must be nice, right? Today is Thursday and you feel so excited through the day.
Yeah,
Let's keep going. Sis Cosby,
because
enjoy the day. Because what?
because Independence Day in sebentar lagi.
Okay, that's one. Okay, maybe on Sunday, right? So
Iya.
we will celebrate the Independent Day, and also on Monday we will get a day off. Is that right? Okay, I don't know, guys. Maybe you will get a day off or not. Okay, on Monday. Okay, that's great. Thank you so much, Sis
Upacara bahasa
Cosby.
Inggrisnya apa ya?
The
Upacara.
flag ceremony.
Oh,
Ceremony.
ceremony. Ceremony.
The
Oh,
flag
ceremony.
ceremony.
Iya.
So
Have
great
ceremony
one.
on Sunday.
On Sunday, yeah. So first, to celebrate the Independent Day is, I will join the parade. I think it would be really nice if we join the parade, guys. Parade
Apa
pawai.
parade? Oh, pawai.
Parade, yeah.
Oh.
Parade is parade pawai. If you can say that one. Ooh, it's really cool. Okay, so what everyone, we're going to start a class while waiting all tourists. So good morning. Welcome back to our class again with Speaking Partner.
We
We
are
The best partner.
partner.
What's password,
Mine.
guys? Thank you so much. You are so amazing. Okay, guys, little kids. Guys, today is our 19th
TK,
meetings.
we are like TK.
Oh, sure. It's really nice, right? That's on
But
this
I'm
time.
very happy.
That's the good one. Okay, guys, by the way, today is our 19th meetings, guys, and we would like to continue learning, okay? And the last topic we learned today, we just talk about mindfulness. And also tomorrow will be our last day, so we're going to have a final exam. So in the end of our class later, I will tell you the exam about. So just join the class after finish the class later today, everyone. Get started. Here we go. With is more time to practice actually. So let's get started, everyone. The topic would be about mindfulness. This one.
Artinya
Hey,
apa, Bro Fik?
yeah, guys. Do you know what is mindfulness? Anyone has ever heard about mindfulness?
Kesadaran,
Kesadaran? Yeah. Mindfulness.
consciousness.
Ya, mindfulness itu bisa dibilang kesadaran penuh gitu, guys. Kita sadar banget nih. So,
Yeah.
we can say that's one. We can be focused and sadar banget, be aware, and this is a mindfulness. Okay. It's really nice to talk about this, guys. So, because, guys, maybe nowadays, we always get stressed every single day because of our work. Okay, you know that one. So go to work in the morning, go back in the afternoon, and it's just make it work. And sometimes we still bring our tasks, our job at home. It's really, really just makes stressful. So mindfulness is one of the solutions to reduce our stress. Mindfulness. Okay, let's just talk about this, and let's talk about this one. Guys, I would like to ask what about you? Sis Lilik, hello, Sis Lilik.
Hello, Bro Fik.
Okay,
How
Sis
are
Lilik,
you?
I'm
Yeah,
pretty great today. So what about you? You good?
I'm great. Thank you.
This is really nice. Sis Lilik, mindfulness. Mindfulness is a word we hear a lot these days. But exactly, what does it mean? Apa sih sis Lilik mindfulness pernah dengar gak sih?
Uh, Seldom.
Seldom. He seldom hear the word mindfulness. Is that right? Okay. Thank you so much, Sis Lily. You don't know that one, right? Okay. So that's the point we need to talk about this case. Okay. So maybe guys, simply mindfulness is kesadaran penuh ya. Okay. Mindful. And we're going to talk about this guys. Look at this. The main point. Kita bahas dulu ini guys ya karena ini penting nih. Okay. So we talk about this first. Wait. Guys, have you ini guys ada sebuah this is like the intermezzo atau mungkin latar belakangnya gitu guys ya. So the background itself. Have you ever driven somewhere and you just realized when you arrived that you couldn't really remember anything about the journey? Pernah nggak sih guys teman-teman itu ketika berkendara kemana gitu guys? Oke. Dan teman-teman itu sadar and realize, teman-teman baru sadar nih, ketika teman-teman itu nyampe di tempat, tapi gak ingat tadi lewati apa gitu guys ya. Ada apa di kanan kiri? Pernah nggak guys? This is
Yeah.
normal, right?
Ever?
Yeah, that's great. This is mindfulness. Okay. Lanjut nih guys. Or maybe have you semua itu mindlessness ya nanti kebalikannya. Have you ever eaten a whole packet of biscuit when you were planning to only have one? Pernah gak nih guys? Makan sepaket ini ya biscuit, oke? Sebenarnya kita itu ingin makan satu aja, tiba-tiba kebelapasan sampai habis. It's right, okay?
Yeah.
Almost.
Sering, almost every day. It's alright, okay. Or maybe this time, okay, ini yang sering kita lakuin nih. Have you stayed up much later than you planned? Bergadang, or even all nights, bahkan sampai semalam penuh nih.
Malam.
Because of what? Watching just one more episode of TV series. It's K-drama. Oke, episode 1 aja deh yang ini asik kayak ini. Sampai pagi. Siapa pernah
Pernah
nih?
lagi.
Iya gak tuh? Gue banget tuh gitu guys ya. Nah, this one.
Almost. Almost.
Almost. Oh my god, that's it everyone ya. Okay. All of these are example of mindlessness. When we live this way, we are not fully awake and not fully living our lives. Jadi guys, ini semua contoh dari mindlessness, kebalikannya mindfulness. Karena kita nggak fokus tujuan awal kita, nggak fokus apa yang ada di saat ini dalam kita, tiba-tiba nggak sadar gitu guys ya. Okay, we always do that. And this one that makes always, this is the example, guys, just make us really, really stress and make it, mindlessness. So that's why we need to figure it out. Hey guys, look at this one. What exactly mindfulness? Apa sih mindfulness itu? This is the first text. The second one is, why is mindfulness so popular now? Kenapa nih? And this masih lanjutan tadi teman-temannya. And how to become more mindful? Gimana cara menjadi lebih mindful? And then yeah, it's gonna be that one, I think. Okay. Well, everyone, come on. This is our topic. What exactly is mindfulness? If you want to read that, raise hand, okay? So, Sis Yanni for the first time. Sis Yanni, the first one, please read
Okay.
this, okay? What exactly is mindfulness? Let's go.
What exactly is mindfulness? When we are mindful, we are more conscious of our thought, our action, and what is happening around us. We might not notice a beautiful sunset or really listen carefully to what a friend is saying, rather than planning what we're going to say next. We are also more aware. We are also more aware of our own feelings and our thoughts. John Kabat-Zinn, who has done a lot to make mindfulness popular, say mindfulness is paying attention on purpose in the present moment and without judging.
Judging.
So, judging. So we are consciously deciding what to pay attention to. We are not worrying about the past or planning for the future, and we are not trying to control or stop our thought or feelings. Nggak kelihatan di
We're
bawahnya.
not
We are just noticing them.
Oke, nggak kelihatan di layarnya.
Okay, that's all right, Shishani. Thank you so much. It's really
Thank
cool.
you.
Okay, so guys, there's one guys. What is Zaki mindfulness? Pengertiannya dulu ya. Bro Vicky mute dulu microphone-nya teman-teman and get started. Here we go. Okay, wait a moment, guys. This one. When we are mindful, ya guys ya, kalau kita itu sadar banget nih guys ya, kita sadar fokus maksudnya. So we are more conscious, you know guys, maksudnya itu conscious itu sadar ya, sama nih, atau lebih menyengaja sadar gitu. We are more conscious of our thoughts. Pasti itu kita lebih sadar atas ini ya, pikiran kita. So that's the point. Our action juga, kita sadar apa yang kita pikirkan, kita sadar apa yang kita lakuin, and what is happening around us, dan juga kita sadar apa yang terjadi di sekitar kita. Nah, kalau kita mindful, we might notice a beautiful sunset or really listen carefully to what your friend is saying, rather than planning what we're going to say next. Nah, kita itu guys, kalau mindful, biasanya kita itu selalu menandai, notice banget nih guys ya. Kayak, oh ada sunset yang cantik nih, oh it's really cool. We just try to just say that and make it, this is beautiful. Or maybe when we listen to our friends, when they say something, we just focus. We just listen it well, rather than planning what we're going to say next, karena kita hanya fokus dengerin. As listener well, we are also more aware of our own feelings and our thoughts. Kita lebih aware banget nih terhadap feeling kita, diri kita sendiri, bahkan pikiran kita. Nah, this is if we are mindful. John Kabat-Zinn, ini bapak mindfulness nih, who has done a lot to make mindfulness popular, says, mindfulness is paying attention, yaitu memperhatikan penuh ya, on purpose, pada tujuan, in the present moment, di momen saat itu, saat ini, without judging. Jadi ketika dia itu lagi ngelakuin sesuatu, dia fokus ke sesuatu itu, teman-teman, and tidak pikirkan yang lain, fokus without judging. Bahkan what happened, bahkan apapun yang terjadi di dalam diri kita saat ini, ya guys ya, itu tanpa ngejudge, tanpa kita itu merasa marah atau gimana. Ya, this one. This is mindfulness. Intinya kita fokus di kejadian atau peristiwa saat ini, kita fokus ke tujuannya, oke? Tidak memikirkan ke depannya nanti bagaimana atau masa lalunya bagaimana. No, we just focus in this present without judging. Kalau sekarang lagi sedih, ya udah sedih tanpa ngejudge kenapa harus sedih. Mensyukurinya. So this is mindfulness. Oke. Pokoknya give the best in the present. Apa yang ada di depan kita saat ini, sekarang ini, give the best. Gitu guys. Itu adalah mindfulness. Okay. So we are consistently deciding what to pay attention to. We are not worrying about the past or planning for the future, and we are not trying to control or stop our thoughts or feelings. We are just noticing them. As a human being, we just always think, nanti ke depannya gimana? Masa lalu gimana? Gitu guys ya. But mindful itu berusaha tidak terlalu memikirkan masa depan terlalu gitu guys ya. It just make overthinking. Ya, ataupun masa lalu dulu. Just make overthinking. Akhirnya kita malah stres. No, yang sudah berlalu, yang akan datang ya cuma notice aja. Dia notice, oh nanti gini kayaknya, gitu aja. Tanpa terlalu berpikir berat banget. Yang dipikirin cuma yang saat ini kita lakuin gitu guys ya. Give the best in the present. Yang lainnya kita notice aja gitu guys. Okay, this is mindfulness teman-teman. So this is one of the method. It's really good to release our stress. You know, something that makes us stress, it's just because we always think about anything that wouldn't happen, ya guys ya. Kayak kedepannya nanti ini, kenapa nih? Pasti stres duluan kita itu. Padahal belum terjadi, guys. Oke, overthinking nggak tuh? Oke, oh maybe masa lalu kita, padahal udah masa lalu, nggak bisa kembali ya. So, masih kepikiran juga. No, mindful tidak seperti itu. We just pay attention on purpose in the present moment without judging. Okay, that's it, Jeffrey. This is mindfulness. Okay, guys, and the next one, it should be the others part. Why is mindfulness so popular now? Kenapa sih mindfulness sekarang itu lagi populer banget, especially after COVID-19? It's really wow, popular, guys. The next one, we have Blozul here. Blozul, come on, try to read that.
Okay, thank you, Profik. And why is the mindfulness so popular now? For most people, life is getting busier and busier. Technology means that we always have something to do, and there isn't much opportunity to just be. People are often do 2 or 3 things at the same time. Texting while watching television, or even looking at their phone while walking along the pavement. People are working around their hours and bringing work home. All this can make us stressed, and mindfulness can be a way of recording this stress. Thank you.
Reducing.
Oh, reducing this stress. Okay.
Yes, that's great. You're so good, Brazil. Thank you so much. Look at this, everyone. Why is mindfulness so popular now? Kenapa sih begitu sangat populer sekarang? For most people, life is getting busier. Bacanya bro ya. Busier and busier. You know guys, sebagian banyak orang hidup itu semakin sibuk gitu guys ya. Oke. Technology means that we always have something to do. And there isn't much opportunity to just be. Ya, ada teknologi membuat kita selalu punya sesuatu untuk dilakuin gitu guys ya. Tidak hanya sekedar kayak, oke, menjadi ini, terus diam aja. Nope, we must do something. People are often doing 2 or 3 things at the same time. Pasti banget nih guys ya. Orang itu banyak nih sering banget ngelakuin 2 pekerjaan, 3 pekerjaan dalam satu waktu. Oke, makan sambil nonton, sambil texting, sambil masak, sambil pokoknya semuanya jadi satu. Oke, that's it. And maybe this is one. Texting while watching TV. Kita main HP ini ya, sambil nonton TV. Or even looking at their phone while walking along the pavement. Bahkan ketika jalan di trotoar itu, jika kita nggak fokus jalan nih, tapi main HP terus. People are working longer hours and bring work at home. Bahkan ini juga nih guys, orang itu bekerja lebih lama, oke. Bahkan pulang di rumah masih dibawa juga pekerjaannya. Wow. All this can make us stressed. Ini semua membuat kita stress, everyone. And mindfulness can be a way for reducing this stress. Mindfulness itu datang ya menjadi cara untuk mengurangi stres itu, guys. We just focus one by one. Cara salah satu mindful. Makanya kenapa ini sangat populer ya, ini guys ya. Bisa mengurangi, salah satu cara untuk mengurangi stres. That's it. Lanjut nih guys. I would like to ask Sis Ray. Sis Ray, come on.
Okay, thank you. Why is mindfulness so popular now? Research show that mindfulness reduces stress and depression. It can help you to concentrate, have a better memory, and to think more clearly. It can also help people to manage pain better and to improve their sleep. And it can even help you lose weight because you won't eat the whole packet of biscuit without thinking.
This is really cool. Thank you so much, sis. It's a nice, it's Ray. Guys, look at this. Masalah juga tadi sebenarnya, research shows that mindfulness reduces the stress and depression. Penelitian itu guys menunjukkan bahwa mindfulness itu bisa mengurangi stres bahkan depresi. It can help you to concentrate, membantu kita untuk lebih berkonsentrasi, have a better memory, and to think more clearly. Bahkan memiliki ingatan yang lebih baik ya, daya ingat kita akan menjadi lebih baik. And think more clearly, berpikir jernih, menambah kita berpikir jernih nih. It can also help people to manage pain better and to improve their sleep. Bahkan ini bisa membantu orang untuk memanage nih guys ya, sakit lebih baik ya guys ya, dan juga meningkatkan kualitas tidurnya. And it can even help you lose weight because you won't eat that whole packet of biscuits without thinking. Ya, bisa menurunkan berat badan juga ya guys ya. Karena kalau kita stres kan pasti makannya banyak guys. Oke. Atau kita nggak fokus pasti ngemil, maunya sebenarnya satu aja, makan satu piring, ya, satu kotak gitu guys ya. Itu yang buat kita gemuk ya. So, kalau kita fokus ya guys ya. So, just eat one is enough. Okay, so that one. This is guys, kenapa mindfulness sangat populer sekarang. Mostly, it can reduce stress or even depression. Okay. And how to become more mindful? Gimana nih cara kita menjadi lebih mindful itu? Ada tipsnya juga nih guys. Sis Punky, it's your turn. Please read out, Sis Punky.
Okay,
Yep.
thank you.
Mhm.
How to become more mindful? Mindfulness Day is celebrated
Halo Sis Punky, are you okay?
on 12 September. Sudah dibuka.
Okay, good. Tadi
Okay.
soal Sis Punky, ya putus-putus. Your voice is like breaking up, but is
Okay.
it clearly? And repeat
Okay.
sekali Sis Punky ya.
Okay. How to become more mindful? Mindfulness Day is celebrated on 12 September. So maybe that would be a good day to try a few mindfulness techniques and see if they make a difference. But of course, you can try this on any day of the year. A very simple technique that you could try right now is to close your eyes for a couple of minutes and count how many sounds you can hear. This will help to focus you on what is happening right now. Another technique is to focus on a piece of food, typically a raisin. Instead of eating it without thinking, slow down. Look carefully at it and notice how it feels in your fingers. Smell it. Then put it on your tongue and taste it. Only then start to eat slowly, noticing how it feels and how it tastes. Both of these techniques force you to slow down and focus on the present moment. And there are plenty of other ideas you can find only if you want to try mindfulness for yourself. Thank
That's
you.
good. This is online, Sis Punky.
Ini
Online.
suaranya oke nggak? Suaranya
Oke,
masuk.
iya. Tadi
Oh.
putus-putus, sekarang udah jelas kok. Oke, thank you so much, Sis Punky. You are so cool. Oke, look at this everyone. How to become more mindful. Ini ada teknik nih guys ya. Mindfulness Day is celebrated on 12th of September. Tanggal 20 September, guys, ya. Okay. So maybe that would be a good day to try a few mindfulness techniques. Teman-teman bisa nih mencoba teknik-teknik mindfulness baru and see if they make a difference. But of course, you can try this on any day of the year. Tapi teman-teman nggak hanya hari itu ya, kapanpun boleh nih. This is the common things. Selain cara berpikir, kita fokus, melatihnya mindfulness itu caranya banyak. Yang pertama di sini dicontohkan, very simple technique that you could try is right now is to close your eyes. Untuk mata kita, guys, close your eyes for a couple minutes and count how many sounds you can hear. Sambil dengerin nih, guys, berapa banyak suara yang kita bisa dengar ya, sambil nutup memejamkan mata. This will help you focus on what is happening right now. This is like meditation. Guys, have you ever done that one? Siapa yang pernah nih, guys, meditation? Nah, meditation itu sangat bagus untuk menenangkan diri, ya, to make really really cool for our thinking. Pikiran kita, meditation. Salah satunya iya. It's like yoga, something like that, guys, is really common. Makanya orang-orang suka kayak gitu. Itu salah satu teknik mindfulness, guys. Another technique is to focus on a piece of food. Kita fokus nih, guys, ya, kalau makanannya. Typically raisin, kayak kismis gitu, kayak kecil-kecil itu, guys, ya. Instead of eating without thinking, slow down. Yeah. Look carefully at it and notice how it feels in your fingers. Kita rasakan, kalau makan dirasakan, guys, jangan berburu-buru. Ini enak atau enggak gitu, guys. Smell it, if you smell it. Then put it on your tongue and taste it. Only then start to eat slowly, noticing how it feels and how it tastes. Nah, kalau makan dirasakan, benar-benar dinikmati, mencoba menikmati. Biar kita itu tenang, tidak buru-buru, ya, guys, ya. Part of this technique force you to slow down and focus on the present moment. And itu semua teknik yang memaksa kita untuk selalu slow down, tenang. Focus on the present moment. Fokus di momen saat ini. And there are plenty of other ideas you can find online if you want to try mindfulness of yourself. Ya, teman-teman masih banyak cara lain ya. Teman-teman bisa cari di YouTube, TikTok, banyak banget cara melatih mindfulness. The common thing is just maybe meditation is the common one. Okay, to reduce and try to focus our mind, reduce our stress. It's really cool to do that one. Okay, guys, so this is our topic. So any others here, guys, has ever tried another technique of mindfulness? Siapa yang pernah nyoba lain nih, guys? Maybe sis Finda, have you ever tried another technique of mindfulness? Sis Finda? Or maybe you have just no one this time?
Arden?
Yeah, sis Finda, have you ever tried another technique of mindfulness?
Yes, of
Or
course.
what is that?
Maybe once of you mentioned that close my eyes and then hear berapa suara.
Yeah, we count how many sounds we can hear, right? Okay, so this is like meditation. This is cool, sis Finda. It's like the common. Itu sering banget yang mudah kita lakuin ya, teman-teman. So you can have another, guys. Actually, it's good to reduce our stress. Biar tidak stres banget itu, guys, ya. It's really good. Teknik untuk mengurangi stress, even depression. We can call it mindfulness. So we can conclude that mindfulness is like just focus in the present moment, whatever it is. We don't think a lot about the future, about our past. We just noticing them and without judging. Kalau sekarang ini lagi buruk nih diri kita nih, maksudnya lagi sedih banget gitu, guys, ya. It's okay. It's totally fine. We don't need to feel like stress banget. Not just noticing. Kita tanpa ngejudge, nanti malah kenapa nih harus terjadi kepada saya gitu, guys, ya. So judging kita sendiri. No, okay. It's alright. Semuanya akan berlalu gitu intinya, guys. So it's gonna be right one. So maybe one of the best word of mindfulness is semuanya akan berlalu. Is the best word of mindfulness, I think, guys, ya. Kalau bahagia, ya semuanya akan berlalu. Suatu saat pasti kita nggak akan bahagia di posisi bahagia, ya. Kalau sekarang lagi nggak bahagia, semuanya akan berlalu juga. Pasti nanti kita akan bahagia. So just enjoy the day. Okay, this one. This is mindfulness, everyone. Just make sure it can reduce our stress or even depression. Okay, guys, yeah. This is our topic today, everyone. So guys, talk about this one and okay, and let's talk about this more. Okay, I will ask you this time to practice before we practice on the breakout room. I would like to ask Sis Daniel. Hello, Sis Daniel. Good morning.
Good morning, Bro Vicky. Am I
Okay,
audible?
yes, of course. Where are you? Kayaknya si Daniel ini lagi gladi
I'm on
bersih
driving.
upacara
Yes,
nih.
yes, I'm on driving actually because I
Oh,
have
you're on.
a meeting.
Okay,
But it's okay, it's okay.
it's okay.
I'm quite stingy to waste discourse.
Oh, sure. Okay. Appreciate that. Miss Daniel, I have a question for you. Why
Yeah.
is it so popular nowadays? I mean, mindfulness. Why is it so popular according to you?
Okay. Yeah. Based on my opinion, why mindfulness is important. I mean, famous in this age because everyone has their own problem and everyone feel stuck to escape from their hustle and bustle, and sometimes they found the solution to overcome their problem with from advertising or from social media, and it's very common to have mindfulness. And yeah, I think it's very common. It's very famous because
Very famous.
yeah, very famous.
That's really
They
cool.
they already learned. They already learn how to handle their stress.
That's right, Sis Daniel. Wow, that's amazing. Yes, that's because of all people care about themselves. So they must learn about how to reduce stress, yeah, because of the busy day every day. So one of them is mindfulness. So mindfulness is really, really popular nowadays. Good job, Sis
Yeah,
Daniel.
this is from other forum coach like friend
Yeah.
or social media coach.
Yep, that's right, Sis Daniel. Amazing. Good, Sis Daniel. Thank you so much, Sis Daniel. Whoa, nice answer. Okay, so what about others one here? And I would like to ask from any other Sis Ray, Sis Ray. Hello, Sis Ray. Sis
Hello.
Ray. Sis Ray, what about you? Do you believe that mindfulness will help you navigate through life?
Yeah, of course, because with mindfulness we can focus what we want to do, right? I think it's good for navigate through your life.
Oh, is it cool?
A lot of
That's
people is a lot of stress.
that's all right. And Sis Ray, what tips can you share to get mindfulness? Do you have a tips?
Yeah, maybe positive thinking
That's
and
positive
do what
thinking.
you
Okay.
do what you want to do
Mhm.
because you live today, not yesterday or future, but you live now. So what you want to do now is do it. For me, it's like that.
Wow, it's really nice tips. Really cool. Thank you so much, Sis Ray.
No
Amazing.
worries.
Okay, it's really cool. Guys, just a little bit talk about this one, yeah. So maybe everybody has ever tried about mindfulness, the technique, and we can share this one. But actually our topic for discussion is about trust, guys. Karena kan sama ya. So we just talk about that, everyone. Bentar guys, Bro Vicky buka dulu nih. It is the same like our topic this time, and you can discuss about this, everyone. Look at this, guys. How stressed are you guys? Seberapa stres kalian, guys? Why? Okay, and that is how do you relieve stress? It's like release sama ya. Gimana teman-teman nih guys ya untuk menghandle stres kalian? What are some other ways people relieve stress? Apa sih cara orang lain itu untuk mengurangi stresnya? Do you have? Do you think people are more stressed now than in the past? Menurut teman-teman nih guys, apakah orang-orang zaman sekarang itu lebih stres daripada zaman dulu? What do you think? Okay. What is the most stressful thing you can imagine? Oke, stres yang teman-teman bisa bayangin itu apa sih, guys? Paling ya, the most stressful thing pokoknya. Yang teman-teman bisa bayangin ketika apa tuh, guys ya. Oke, so what could someone do live stress-free life? Okay, this is like what could someone do live stress-free life? When are you least stressed? And other question that you can use it, ya guys ya. You can choose as you want, gak harus urut, gak apa-apa, just make it fun. Okay, let's talk about stress, and the solution is mindfulness. Or maybe you can you have your own way to release stress. It's okay. It's like a sharing. Okay, so everyone, let's get started to have that one. How many people here? I just want to make it start, and here we go. 1, 2, 3, go. Just join the breakout room and make it fun, everyone. Yeah, let's go. Good luck, guys. Ya, bisa join breakout room semua ya. So, well, guys, we'll be back to the main room, and thank you so much for having such a nice, so interesting conversation you had on the breakout room before. And before I give you the feedback for this time, I would like to ask one of you guys to have 1 minute challenge. And this time, I would like to ask this Cosby to tell that one. This Cosby, last time, it's your turn.
Yeah.
1 minute
Good.
challenge.
Aduh, oke lah.
Okay, lah. Okay, let's
Ah,
do it. This Cosby.
Ya, saya jadi lihat Cak Enwo nih. Waduh, ganteng
Yeah.
banget lagi itu pakai Cak Nun pula.
All right. Well, come on, Sis Cosby. Are you ready?
Oke,
1,
oke,
2,
ya.
3, go. Let's go.
I forget apa yang mau saya ceritakan tadi. Okay, the first time I joined in room first atau room one? Room first
First
atau
room.
room? First room, and 5 minutes my boss is coming, so I just silent, and suddenly I jump to the room 4 with Winda, with siapa tadi, Ulfa, and sis Merlin, and yeah, like sis Winda emak-emak bukan ya, so like emak-emak, normally emak-emak if discuss about the topic, so and then kemana-mana like that. And then Cak Nun datang, so I ask how about Cak Nun, ternyata Cak Enwo. Okay, so yeah, it's fun room. So belum habis ya.
It's gonna be enough, Sis Cosby.
Okay.
Okay, well, great. Thank you so much. Wow, it's a good. Okay, Sis Cosby. Emak-emak, okay, calon ya, maybe. Semuanya bakal emak-emak pada bapak-bapak nanti. Okay, wow, that's a great, everyone. Guys, I want to highlight here and look at this. That's about the vocabularies actually. Wait, guys. Bentar. So you want to say this, guys. Berpikir tadi like ini cara mengecewakan. Say, wah, we always, how do you say mengecewakan, guys? Disappointed?
Disappointed.
Yeah, disappointed. But guys, you can use that one. You can level up by using phrasal verb. Okay, you can say let down. Let down. So we can not let down ya. Let down kalau lay down itu kan nyantuy nih, rebahan. Let down. This is mengecewakan.
Let down.
Kecewakan. I let you down. Biasanya objeknya taruh depannya, di tengah-tengah teman-teman. Oh my God, I'm so sorry. I let you down. Mengecewakanmu.
Like the song?
Yes, it can be that one.
Yeah.
Okay. And the next one, kalau teman-teman mau bilang meremehkan, so how do we say that one, guys? Meremehkan. Kita diremehkan nih, bikin kita stres nih.
Underestimate.
Underestimate, iya. It's really good. That's the common one. And we can use phrasal verb again. This is, you can say, look down on. Kalau ini pakai look down kan, meremehkan itu. Okay. Look down on.
Bro Vic,
Yeah, this Punky.
lagunya Beatles itu Don't Let Me Down. Itu jangan
Don't let
mengecewakan
me
ya.
down. Iya, don't let me down,
itu
down,
mengecewakan
down.
Bukan beda
That's
itu.
it. Oh, Mbak, beda. Oh iya.
Itu
Oh
Don't
iya.
let me down.
Beda ternyata.
Meremehkan. Iya guys, let down ya. Oke, meremehkan. Alright everyone, this is look down on. Itu teman-teman. Artinya
down
meremehkan ya. That's good. And the next one guys, if you want to say tadi itu membela. We always say
different.
membela. I support you. Is it right? Support. But you can say this one guys, stick up for. For. Membela. Jadi guys, this is the common. So we can use other words. It means phrasal verb. Phrasal verb itu adalah sebuah verb kata kerja yang digabungin sama, you know guys, preposition kata depan. Membuat makna baru. Let, membiarkan, down, turun, let down, mengecewakan. That's it. So, seperti look, melihat, for, untuk, look for artinya mencari. So, this is phrasal verb, teman-teman. Nah, kita akan belajar lebih ini di level ke depan ya, teman-teman. Berarti intermediate 3, 2, oke, intermediate 2 deh. Yeah, we will learn this one. So, kita membiasakan seperti ini because this is really important to learn that one. This is phrasal verb. As a native, they always use phrasal verb, teman-teman. Sering banget ya teman-teman di sini pakai. Okay, that's what. This is the same like you want to say menghormati, we can say respect, ya kan? Ya, we can say look up to. Look up itu menghormati teman-teman. Look up to. I look up to my maybe my president. Menghormati. Look up to. Okay. Itu menghormati. Hormat. Why are you laughing? Okay.
Just look up to.
Oke, menghormati.
Kalau appreciate
itu menghargai, kayak I appreciate, menghargai, atau boleh kayak mengucapkan terima kasih itu just appreciate it. Itu guys ya. Terima kasih
Bro itu
apa?
lafalnya gimana sih nulisnya? Appreciate.
Yang mana?
Appreciate
is appreciate. Ya, appreciate. Itu appreciate. Itu artinya banyak ya, mengapresiasi. Just say for example, oh you look so great today. Oh thank you so much. Bisa kayak gitu kan. Oh appreciate
I appreciate you.
That's it.
Appreciate P-nya 2.
Yes, that's right. Appreciate nih, Bro Fili tulis nih. Appreciate. Ya, appreciate. Ya. Appreciate. This is boleh menghargai ya guys ya, atau teman-teman ya boleh bilang untuk terima kasih tadi ya. So, I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Okay guys, this one is the vocabulary today ya. So you can use that one. You can say lay down, look down on, look up to, stick up for. So this is we call it phrasal verb. Okay guys, that's gonna be enough. So do you have any question last time everyone?
Appreciate tadi juga menghormati ya?
Menghargai.
Oh.
Menghargai. Okay. Menghargai itu appreciate. Appreciate. Okay guys, it's gonna be enough for this time. Okay, so well guys, you know, this is our last meeting. I mean, last topic we learned in intermediate 1. So tomorrow is the final exam. And the topic would be like this. This is the same like our middle exam at the time. You can choose one topic of each topic of here. So look at this. Teman-teman bisa pilih salah satu aja. Just choose one topic here.
Masa farewell exam, bro?
Oh, why not?
Foto-foto, makan-makan gitu loh.
Oh iya guys ya, kita party nanti. Oke, oke. Party. Oke. Let's go baby, come on party. Apalah lagunya guys? Okay, that's one. And this is guys. Look at this, guys. The first choice you can say the impact of social media on society. Dampak sosial media masyarakat. Let's talk about this. The first choice. The second choice is the importance of healthy eating. Pentingnya makan makanan sehat. The influence of music on our emotion. Guys ya, pengaruh musik terhadap emosi kita. Or you can choose the benefit of regular exercise. Nih guys ya, manfaat olahraga secara teratur. The power of positive thinking is really good. You can choose this if you want. The role of education in shaping our lives. Nih guys ya, role edukasi pendidikan untuk membentuk hidup. The impact of climate change. Dampak perubahan iklim. The last is the beauty of cultural diversity. Keindahan ya, the beauty of cultural diversity. You can choose that one everyone if you want it. Okay, that is everyone, yeah. So this is the topic that you can use it everyone. You can just talk about this. Choose one of them, the impact or the important, the others as you want. And you need to tell it in 2 minutes. It will be better in 2 minutes at least. What about 3 minutes? 3 menit? No, 2 minutes. All right. The minimum is 2 minutes. The maximum is 5 minutes. You can tell that one. If you want to have the media, this is like the picture maybe, it's okay. You want to give it or just pick up in 2 minutes. We will do it one by one on the breakout room as usual. Sama kayak ketika dulu middle exam ya guys ya. So don't miss the class this time everyone. Okay? Got it everyone? Okay guys, that's gonna be enough I think this time. This is our topic we talk about and don't miss the class everyone. Yep, this is our topic. Thank you for coming and this time. And that's gonna be enough. And anyone has a quote of the day? Anybody wants to give it? No one?
Mungkin siap.
Bro, Siswinda?
No,
Siswinda?
I don't have
yeah?
any quotes.
Are you sure?
I have.
Bro Zul nih punya nih.
Okay.
Ya Bro Zul, halo? Okay, that's it, good. 1, 2, 3, go. Kata-kata hari ini, Bro Zul.
Without self-discipline, success is impossible. So that's why, for all of you, my best partner here, continue in the next lecture with Profi. Okay.
Really good. Come on, guys. Yeah, discipline, just continue. Come on, everyone. Yeah, lovely. Thank you so much, Bro Zul. That's lovely words of today. Thank you for coming, everyone. Don't forget to memorize the last day. So I hope you guys, everyone here, come on, just join the class. The last day we have a class in this level, everyone. Yeah, and I will remind you again. Come on, guys, just try to continue to the next level. Intermediate 2, we have more fun for that and learn more. And always level up your English, I guess. Yeah. Don't miss the class, everyone. Thank you for coming. And the last I say, speaking partner.
We are the best.
The best partner.
What's password, guys?
Smile.
Besok pada make up ya. Dan foto bareng.
Thank you, bro.
Jangan lupa make up.
Bye-bye, guys. See you
Smile
tomorrow.
every day.
Have a good day.
Bye.